Hello, good to see you all. Sadly, we can't have a proper sports day this year, so we're going to try and hold our own Ysgol Bryn virtual sports day. I'm going to show you what to do, you're going to have a go. Infants, you're going to have 30 seconds to do as many repetitions of the 10 activities that you can. Juniors, you're going to have a whole minute to do them, and you can keep trying again and again to better your score. Foundation phase, you can send your work in on Seesaw to show your teachers. Juniors, you're going to have a form to fill in with your name, your class and your house. You can do it as often as you like, but only the last form you send me will be the scores that count. Good luck, enjoy, watch the instruction videos, and we'll see which house is the best.